Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2017. This video explains the decision for round 8. This new winning strategy, we can win on the game from round 1 to round 8 with very high net profit and cumulative net profit or the other factors. This strategy is different to the other winning strategy in round 8 because from round 7 we update not only traditional and high-end product, we update also low-end product to sell better. The result may be similar, but we can test a different strategy, and both strategy can bring the victory to the game. Both of the product, both of the strategy we launch a product around June or July. So in this strategy round 8, we upgrade traditional to 10 and 9.7, 10 and 9.7 close to ideal spot. For high-end product, we update to 16.1 and also 3.9 is the ideal spot. And for the low-end products, that's also updated to ideal spot too. So we have all the 6 products close to the ideal spot, and also the 8 is meets the customer buying criteria. And again, for marketing, we can reduce the promotion budget to 2,000. Not only no need to be high 2,900, so we can reduce that. And also we reduce the price by 50 cents to keep the price most highest possible but most competitive compared with the top selling products in 3 segments we are comparing is traditional low end and high end product. We keep that at 25.5, 17 and 35.50. So that is the highest product possible but still on the top list of top selling product. And we can check the sale. You see that the awareness and accessibility is also 100%. So we don't have to spend as high as 2,900. We can reduce that back to 2,000. It's okay to save cost of marketing. And now we can calculate the demand forecast and we see that the inventory for 2 low-end product will be lower like next round, and for the other we just get some inventory. So at the end of the round 8 we see that and also we calculate the focus and production as usual. We have updated more, added more capacities for low-end product from round 7. So round 8 we have enough capacity to produce. So we just put in the sale focus as usual we do for all the rounds: 2,550, 4,211, 1,460. So we have enough capacity, so we don't have to adjust that to close to the mark capacity. We have 2,860. We get 20 more, add 20 more units as usual to balance with the production after adjustment. And we have 2 choices now. One choice, so we don't have to add more capacity because it's the last round of the game. Another choice is we still add more capacity as suppose that we continue the game. So that's your choice. Both option will bring the boost results. And for human resource, we just put 5,080 hours and average for the others. Another choice for TQM is you don't have to invest in TQM right now because the last round of the game. The other option is you can add as usual. So we still have so much cash, so we pay off retire on the stock and pay dividend to $12 per share. That's the very high payment for dividends. We just keep 30 around 25 or 30 million of cash in hand. So you have many, because the company have many cash and very high net profit, so you can have different strategy. And last round last 64 net profit, 245 in sales, and contribution margin 54%. And we check the balance scorecard too. For the balance scorecard, you get 90 point out of 100. So this is result for the round 8. We get retail 314 and net profit of 52 and cumulative net profit of 221. All they have a market capitalization of 529, so also very high market capitalization. So also this different strategy we can sell very well. Far from the second competitor, you can take that in the list, nearly double the second high competitors. And we check the simulation result to date, profit of 217 in value, market share 21.9, the highest one, and yeah, we have ROS 9.8 compared with the second one 6.0, assessed turnover high. ROA we are the top at 8.3 compared with the second one 6, and 14.6. Stock price 178, very high, and market capitalization 530. 530. Round analysis, we have all 5 stars, and this is not so important, but it's nice, right? And also we have the balance scorecard of 91, 92, 91 for 2 rounds. If you can spend some more time optimize leverage and day of working capital, so we can get that. But leverage here is good, so we get 90, 92, 91% of the last round is really high. Okay, so we have different strategy, and we can win the game with very high results. This overview of result for round 8, right? You see we had 314 for sales million, and 52 million in net profit, and cumulative net profit 221, and contribution margin of 53. That's very good. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.